Cosider Canalisation pour C6. Notre personnel, c'est un personnel qualifié et supervisé dans le domaine
d'une rapidité imbattable.
I'm the director of the C6 division. This division is part of Cosider Canalisation subsidiary, which carries out construction work and mechanical engineering work for the other divisions for hydrocarbon and hydraulic activities. The objective of this division is to provide support for the other divisions within Cosider Canalisation, and this is through concentrated works, supply of steel conduits and tanks of various diameters, manufacturing of telecom tanks, construction of storage tanks under EPC, production of inputs, manufacturing of metal frames. Currently, our division is in the process of developing and implementing inputs for new projects, such as Atarif, Cap Genet, Cap Blanc, Fouca, and Bijaya. Since 2004, the C6 division had provided the best study and implementation tools for huge national companies such as Algérien des Eaux, Sonatrach, Sonelgaz, and Naftal, led by its multidisciplinary workers who are divided into 4 teams: the technical team, the logistics team, quality management team, and work team.
Our staff includes 237 people, including 36 supervisors, 126 foremen, and 75 skilled workers. Our personnel are qualified and specialized in the field of welding. Additionally, our staff undergoes various training programs, including welding and other activities.
As part of diversifying its operations, the C6 division has acquired new machinery and constructed a metal frame warehouse for the new activity.
We have several machines, including a plasma cutting machine, which helps us cut all the pieces we need. We have a welding jib crane with 2 heads, submerged arc welding and make-mag welding capabilities, with the ability to perform longitudinal and cylindrical welding. We have a sheet metal coiler that can provide us with various shapes and volumes. This production chain enables us to manufacture various components and elements at an unbeatable speed, such as tanks, elbows of different diameters, flanges, and other parts.
Through its respect for the security and environmental conditions at work, the compliance of its products to the standards, and its respect for the deadlines, Cosider Canalisation continues to support its partners and plays a vital role in the national economy growth.